Yesterday, I did manage to finish my first ever machine learning project. It was a regression project, and these were some of the lessons that I learned when practicing this machine learning project. First lesson that I learned is you have to start small. The good thing of starting small is you get to gain that momentum along the way, that confidence along the way. For example, if you start with some minimal projects, some minimal regression projects, and you get to finish them, you get to gain that motivation and that morale of getting into some other projects to finish, so that you build yourself brick by brick until you get to that advanced level. And for me, as of yesterday, it was my first project. And for today, I've also tried to embark on a classification project, aiming to finish it tomorrow, hopefully. And I also try to bring in some lessons that I learned when doing that classification problem. The second thing that I learned is that coding is evolving day to day. Updates are being made. New codes are being implemented. For example, as I was coding my project, the regression project, uh, the uh, the the code or the codes that I used to know, or the codes that I used to read in the book, I found that they were updated or they were implemented. So as you're coding, you have to be up to date to in any field. Yeah. So when you're coding, you have to be up to date, and yeah, you have to keep that enthusiastic mind up and running all day when you're coding. The third thing is that don't let these LLMs code for you. Otherwise, you won't learn. What do I mean by it? As you coding, you may find yourself trapped into getting a solution for the bug, or getting any solution for the error. So you may be tempted to go to this LLM or the ChatGPT, the Anthropic Cloud, yeah, any LLM. You may be tempted to go and get your solution from there. But what I would say, or what I would encourage you guys, is that you should make this LLM your partner in crime. You shouldn't ask it a lot. You shouldn't ask it a lot, but you should at least try to give it some. At least you should let it be your teacher. Yeah, let it be your teacher, not your guide to guide thingy. Let it be your teacher. Give you some push. Try to empower you with some problem solving skills and everything, but don't let it code for you. Otherwise, you won't learn anything. And if you have reached that age of, like, you have no other step to move, to, that's when you will at least try to get some coding from there. Otherwise, you won't learn anything when you get the code from an LLM and then implement it into your code. And then the last thing is that you are always going to be frustrated with the code. As a new beginner, trust me, the code is going to be having errors always. Always, day to day, it will be having errors. And then the thing that I'll tell you, those errors are the ones to teach you along the way. Because trust me, when you get an error onto another project, at least you'll be gaining some idea of what that error is and how to problem solve it.